Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry with First Choice, and today we are trimming grasses. Alright, so if you notice our little rope trick, we make like a lasso and tie it around. That way we can get 90% of the grasses and just put them straight on the tarp. If you try to just trim it without doing that, first off, you'll see how clean. These gotta be blown, but you see how just nice they're cut perfectly and then rounded. Cut perfectly rounded. We still gotta do a little mild cleanup, but with the rope trick, we get 90% right there, and that is hands down the way you get your best product. All right, this is a good example of one we've got cut back. As you can see, we got the perimeter, we've got the height. We've cut this back a little bit more than normal per the customer's request. What we're gonna do is, you see this dead stuff, we're actually gonna blow that out. So that way the plant can breathe, and we're gonna put a little fertilizer in it in a month or two. But that way the plant can breathe and grow really, really good. And don't got all this dead debris stuff all trapped in. Right, in addition to cutting back these grasses, the customer asked if we could get rid of that one, that little one, that one, and that one. So we're gonna dig those up, but I'm not gonna trim them right now, simply for the fact they're easier to grab when there's more plant there, especially when you're trying to pull it up. So we're gonna knock these bad boys out. All right, got everything cut back. Now what we're gonna do is go get any of the debris that we've left around here, get most of this out, and get ready for some pine straw. All right, let's rip these bad boys out. All right, folks, and that was us cutting back some grasses. We've got all the debris out, everything prepped. We're actually gonna finish this job, but we're gonna do a job on installing pine straw. So I hope y'all enjoyed it.